Adding se to a verb in Spanish can completely change its meaning. Why exactly? Let's take a look at the first example here. Ir versus irse. So you're probably very familiar with the verb ir. For example, we could say voy a la tienda, which literally means, very literal from English, I go to the store, giving ir the meaning of to go. Now irse, there are two things we need to take into account. Number one, we use the reflective pronouns. Why? Well, whenever a verb ends in se, as these ones do here, it is telling us it's a reflective verb. Therefore, we must use these pronouns for the verb to hold its intended meaning. And number two, various verbs change their meaning from their non-reflexive form. Now, if I say me voy a la tienda, we are now emphasizing the fact that I'm leaving the place that I'm in. So irse means to leave, whereas ir means to go. That's number one. Now dormir versus dormirse. Dormir holds the meaning of to sleep. Dormí a las 5. I slept at 5. Dormí a la medianoche. I slept at midnight. However, if we make it reflexive, it now holds the meaning of to fall asleep. Me dormí a la medianoche. I fell asleep at midnight. Now comer versus comerse. So comer simply means to eat, whereas comerse means to eat it all, to eat everything, to devour it. Usually emphasizing a feeling, could be hunger, could be enjoyment. Now with all of these reflexives here, the action isn't happening to yourself, but rather the meanings are changing from the non-reflexive forms. And these fall under the category of what we call pseudo-reflexives. Now, especially with this example down the bottom of morir versus morirse, it's not always the case that the meaning of the verb changes, but rather the emphasis, the emotion behind the verb. So morir simply means that somebody died, stating a fact almost. Murió ayer, murió en 2009. So he, she died yesterday, he, she died in 2009. Whereas morirse has a lot more drama, a lot more emphasis and emotion. Morirse is the casual go-to for everyday speech. A great example of morirse would be to say me muero de hambre. And what we're saying there is literally, I am dying of hunger. Super idiomatic there. Now, if you said muero de hambre, it's understood, but it's not colloquial. It's not very idiomatic at all. If you like this video and you want to progress your Spanish right now, join my community. The link is in my bio, where you'll find many more videos just like this and you have direct access to me.